Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a going away cake for a colleague of mine. I'm very excited about this. Let's get started.
We had all chipped in to buy our colleague a gift card, which everyone wanted me to hide in the cake. So I wrapped the card in plastic wrap to protect it from the cake. Then I rolled out a piece of gum paste nice and thin and cut it into a rectangle. Then I laid it over a few skewers and wrapped the bottom around the gift card. It's supposed to look like a piece of tissue. Then I let it dry while I worked on the rest of the cake. I had two sizes of banana cake, but they were round, and I wanted them to be square, so I trimmed off the sides and angled them down a bit. Then I filled and frosted the cake with dark chocolate ganache. By the way, this is now one of my favorite combinations. The banana cake with dark chocolate ganache was delicious. Then I cut a slit into the top of the cake all the way through to the bottom. I rolled out some white fondant and draped it over the cake. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother and my hands and cut off the excess with a sharp knife. And I cut open the slit and tucked the fondant inside. Then I rolled out some black fondant and cut out a few different farewell words. I cut out tschüss, ciao, and bye, as well as my colleague's name, Mark. If you like what we do here, consider subscribing for a new cake every week. I first placed the word bye on the short side of the cake. Then ciao on the other short side. Tschüss on the long side that will be the back. It overlapped on the corners a bit. And Mark on the front side of the cake. Now, I didn't love the black and white. I felt it was too colorless. So I made an edible paint with ivory food coloring and clear alcohol and painted the ivory all over the tissue box. Then I painted on some words with pure black food coloring. I painted Bitte nehmen, or please take, in front of where the tissues will go. Then I painted farewell under Mark's name, Auf Wiedersehen under the word bye, Alles Gute under the word ciao, and finally adios under the word tschüss. Finally, I placed the tissue with the gift card in the slot. I love how this cake turned out. It really was perfect for a farewell party for Mark. We wish him the best at his new job. Eventually, I pushed the gift card all the way into the cake. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.